Okay, I'm really freaking out because I'm replaying one of my YouTube videos to see how it is. And if you ever wanted to know, like, it's like so freaky because I guess now my channel redubs in multiple languages.
Ich weiß, der Hintergrund ist
I speak German.
Du musst dir die Berge ansehen. Schau dir nicht diese schäbigen Häuser an.
I mean, it's not my voice, but that's pretty hilarious. Dude, it's a white version of my old GTS. Oh, it's got the center locks. Oh, it's PDK. It's got the little stripe thing in the front. Oh, it's got the black trim. High gloss black trim. Ooh. GTS interior. It's a 2022. Oh, that's my GTS. Early morning at the dealership. Got to pick up my car. It's finally fixed. Alright, forgive me in advance. I got my new car. New car? What's wrong with me? I got my black car back, I'll show you. But I'm at this car show in Wai Kai, which is the artificial wave surfing place in Hawaii. I've never been here before. But this Porsche 996 is for sale. So take a moment and really look at that. It's painted on the exterior. That is slick. I mean, gonna buy anime champ car and make it true anime. Oh, look at that. Like, that is wide. That RX-7 is like. Yeah, that looks like fun. As I zero in on this Porsche, I think I've met the owner. I'll know when I see the plate. Yeah, I'll have to find that footage. And so what year is this one?
This is a 64.
64. Oh, it is so nice. Okay, I'm gonna resist trying to roast every car that has like a weird poster to it or a weird thing that makes it seem like it's more special than it is. Now, Porsches are special, any Porsche is special. A Cayman GT4, I guess is special, but I don't know. Do you see it? I see it. I'm looking inside. I'm like, it's kind of like my car, but it says RS. Oh, it's stock. Oh, that makes me happy. And just like that, I'm back in my turbo. The car meet was good and blah at the same time.